Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a trade review. I did not took any trade because of the bank holiday. I have a strict rules that whenever there is a bank holiday or any high impact news like in 10 o'clock, if we have a Fed news, I strictly ignore the AM session because I have got caught many times in a choppy price action. That's why. So let's go to the daily chart. So on daily, we was having a sell side liquidity and sell side liquidity. Market suddenly did a gap down. Today was today's new week opening gap. If you see that today's new week opening gap, it is a so big one. I think it is almost like 100 points or 80 points. And we have took the two sell side liquidity, the first one and the second one, and it was almost the 2026 low. This was the 2026 low. Yeah, and this was the bank holiday. And on a 15-minute, after we take the sell side liquidity after the open, this is where the manipulation is going to happen. After taking a sell side liquidity, which two levels you have to refer: the new week opening gap or a new day opening gap or a opening range gap. This is where the market is going to rebalance, and this is how you have to trade the stop runs. And which is the opposite side of liquidity, you have to check. This is the pre-market, the 7 o'clock to 9:30, and this is the London session and the Asia session. This is the opposite side of liquidity. We was into the deep discount. We was also below the midnight opening price and also below the 8:30 opening price. So this is how you are going to see the we are in a deep premium or the deep discount. This is the dynamic premium and discount. This is the 1 minute chart. Okay, I have marked the 9 o'clock. This is the 9:30. After opening the 9:30, we respected this order block. We did our manipulation below the sell side liquidity. It was the current day London lunch hour sell side liquidity, and we tapped to the new week opening gap. And after that, we have a clean structure with a breaker, and we tap to it, and we are pulling to the buy side liquidity here. Okay, this was the main draw on liquidity. Whenever you have a equal highs, okay, failure swings, but still the market has created the BPR, right? So it will be the high resistance liquidity run. The market is going to do the reprice to the discount like an equilibrium. We had a breaker or the mitigation block in a market maker buy model, and once the price has done this thing, okay, we have created the displacement. This is the first signature you have to see after 10:30. Whenever the whenever the you are going to see any kind of retracement, I will like to see after the 10:30, because the 10:30 is the where the 9:30 to 10:30, this is the 1 hour candle. The 10:30 to 11:30, this is the another 1 hour candle. So basically 2 hour session, AM session. And we have a stop run. Again, we inverse this fair value gap. We are into the bullish. Our draw was the bullish. Okay, equal highs. And see, and in a micro, we had a market structure shift over here. Fair value gap. This was the small scalp. Let's talk about the opening range gap. Today, the market was not open. It was a bank holiday. So there is no opening range gap. That is why I did not trade it today. I am a RTH trader more likely, because I like to see the manipulation and the power of three. Thank you very much for watching this stream. I hope you learned something new today about the economical calendar and regular trading hour and everything. Thank you very much, guys, and have a nice day. Bye bye. Trade safe.